in the country will be required to take third-party insurance for passengers and pedestrians in the event of an accident. Insurance Regulatory Authority has proposed changes to the motor vehicle rule and has demanded for the changes to be implemented. Operating boda or tuk-tuk for public transport without a third-party insurance cover will be considered a criminal case.
Motor vehicle third-party risk certificate of insurance will demand that boda and tuk-tuk operators in Kenya take the insurance cover to compensate and meet medical costs incurred during an accident. Currently, motorcycles and three-wheelers used for non-public services like social, domestic and leisure purposes are mandated to acquire third-party insurance, while motorcycles used for public transport are exempted from the insurance cover. The directive is set to bring a new line of business for insurance companies who will provide cover for around 1.5 million motorcycles operating in various regions in the country. The Insurance Regulatory Authority Chief Executive Officer Godfrey Kiptum said that the changes to the insurance rule will address the challenge of medical costs usually incurred by passengers and boda operators in cases of accidents. On the other hand, Insurance Association of Kenya has welcomed the proposed changes, adding that the involvement of motorcycles operating for public service transportation will boost confidence in the boda sector. In 2019, the National Assembly rejected the move to introduce the above changes in the public transportation insurance rule by the National Treasury because the changes were introduced without public participation. We went out to the streets of Nairobi to find out what Kenyans think about the new changes, and most of the people we spoke to welcome the IRA proposals.
Wakianzisha hiyo cover itakuwa poa sana juu hata maybe kitu ikifanyikia customer itaweza kumcover, hatutaweza kugaramika kwa pesa zetu. Hiyo cover itakuwa inagaramika. Yeah.
Sasa unakaribisha hiyo hatua.
Yeah, inafaa iwekwe immediately. Yeah.
Hapo itabidi nirudi mfuko ama pia abiria, unajua si abiria wote wanakuanga the same. Kuna mwingine atakuambia wewe enda tu jisaidie na mimi nisaidie, ama utapata mwingine atakuambia tutoleane nusu tusaidiane, lakini insurance cover mimi naona iko poa sana.
Now, looking at a story of interest, the Deputy President William Ruto's 1 million pledge to empower commercial sex workers in Tito Andi in Makueni County has sparked mixed reactions from a section of Kenyans, with a section